KVR Maths Academy, Maths an easy way.
Hi viewers, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss E and F problems in question number 2 in exercise 4.1 in pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th class mathematics. Right? Yes, before discussing these problems, viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's go through this. Yeah. See question number 2. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. This is E problem. Already A, B, C, D. I have explained in the before videos. Yes, see this one. E. Given equations are 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So let us write these equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right? Yeah. So given equations are, see here, 4 by 3x plus 2y plus is equal to 8. What is the LCM? 3 only now. So that's why I write down 4x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 5 3 8 are 24. So plus 24, if you transfer it this side, this will be minus 24 equal to 0. So I have written the first equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Right. Second equation also 2x plus 3y plus 12 transfer into this side, minus 12 is equal to 0. Right. So compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right? Yeah. So here a1 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to 6 and c1 is equal to minus 24. In the same way, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 12. So let us find the ratio. Yes, a1 by a2 is equal to 4 by 2. So this will be 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 6 by 3. This also will be 2. 3 2s are 2 2s are. So c1 by c2 is equal to minus 24 by minus 12. Minus get cancelled. 12 2s are 24. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to same we have got 2 only. So that's why a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then the given lines are consistent and those are having infinite solutions and those are coincident lines. Right? Yes, that is only write down. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Right? So the given pair of linear equations in two variables are consistent and have infinite solutions and these are coincident lines. Is it right or not? Yes, these are coincident lines. Right? So let us solve graphically these lines. Yeah. First take first equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Right? Yeah. So draw the table first. x, y, x comma y I am taking. Yeah. So here in the place of x for substitute 0. So then y 6y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 by 6, which means 4 get cancelled, 4 times get cancelled. No? So point is 0 comma 4. So in the place of y take 0, substitute 0 means 4x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 by 4 means this will be 6. So this point will be j 6 comma 0. If you substitute 0 in the place of x, you have got y is equal to 4. If you substitute in the place of y is equal to 0, x is equal to, we have got 6. So the given points and the obtained points are 0 comma 4 and 6 comma 0. So for these points we have to draw the line on graph sheet. So next in the same way, second equation also take. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 only. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Yes. Take. First to draw the table. X, y, x comma y. Right? Yes. In the place of x take 0. Then 3y is equal to 12, y is equal to 4 only. Yeah, 4. So 0 comma 4 we have got this point. So in the place of y take 0, this whole term will be 0, 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2, that will be 6. 6 comma 0. So here obtained points are also same to the first equation. No? Here 0 comma 4, 0 comma 4, 6 comma 0, 6 comma 0. So that's why these are coincident lines. So let us draw these points on the graph sheet. Yeah. So obtained points are for the first equation 0 comma 4 and 6 comma 0. Here for the second equation 0 comma 4 and 6 comma 0. Both are same only na? Yes. First plot these points on the graph sheet. Right? Yeah. Look here. I have drawn two coordinate axes. One is x-axis x dash and another one is y-axis y dash. Right? So these two axes intersect at origin. Next on x-axis and y-axis also I have taken scale as 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Right? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. So now let us plot the points. Yes, 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4, here x coordinate is 0, no? So this point lies on y axis only. So 0 comma 4 means here 0 comma 4. This is the exact location, no? Yes. Second one 6 comma 0. Here y coordinate is 0, that's why this point lies on x axis, right? Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 comma 0 is this one, right? Now join these 2 points. So this is the equation. What is the equation? Yes, 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. So let us plot the another points. 0 comma 4 6 comma 0. Both are same only, no? 0 comma 4 6 comma 0. So this line also coincides the first line. So this is the second line which is coincides the first line. So what is this equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So these both lines are coincides with each other. Right? So that's only write down. From the graph, two lines are coincides with each other. So already these are consistent. Already we have proved in the board itself, right? Yes. So these lines are coincides with each other. That's why how many solutions will be there? Yes. There are infinite solutions for the given linear equations. Therefore, there are infinite solutions for the given linear equations in two variables. Okay, understood clearly? Yes, finally what we have to write? A scale we should write. Yes, right. Scale here on the graph sheet, write down enough. So on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to how many units we have taken? Yes, 1 unit only. And on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, yes, 1 unit only, na? 1 unit. So have you understood clearly? Let's note it down. Next F, the given equations are x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. So let us solve. Yes, given equations are, yes, x plus y, here plus 5 transferred to this side, minus 5 is equal to 0. Why? Because I have written in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So in the same way this also, 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So compare the given equations with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, right? So then a1 is equal to, here not there anything, what is its coefficient? 1. Yes, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 5, right? So in the same way, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 10, right? Let us find the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, right? So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus get cancelled, 5 ones are 5 twos are. This is also 1 by 2. Here all the ratios are equal. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all are 1 by 2 only. So that's why these lines are consistent, isn't it? These lines are consistent and these have infinite solutions and these are coincident lines, right? Dependent lines also, right? That is only write down here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, right? So the given pair of linear equations in two variables are consistent and have infinite solutions, right? And these are coincident lines. Understood clearly? Now let us solve graphically. First draw the table. Yes, first one, x plus y is equal to 5. Draw the table. X, y, x comma y. So if you take in the place of x is equal to 0, y how much? Directly 5. So 0 comma 5, right? So in the place of y take 0, then x is equal to 5 only. So 5 comma 0. So the obtained points are 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0, right? See here, this 0 means y is equal to 5 and y 0 means x is equal to 5, right? So in the same way, for the second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. X, Y, X comma Y. So in the place of X, if you take 0, 2y is equal to 10, y is equal to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. Yes, this will be 0 comma 5. Next, in the same way, y is equal to take 0. 2 zeros are 0, whole 10 will become 0. 2x is equal to 10, x is equal to 10 by 2, 5 only. So 5 comma 0. See, here both the equations we have got the same points, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. So that's why these are coincident lines. So let us draw these lines on graph sheet. Yeah. Okay. Obtained points from the equation 1 and equation 2 are here. Equation 1, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. Right? X plus y is equal to 5 means we have got 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. So from the equation 2 also same points, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. So already we have proved these two lines are consistent. No? Yes, let us solve graphically now. So let us plot the points on the graph. Yes, look here. So already in graph sheet I have drawn the coordinate axis. One is x-axis, x dash, and another one is y dash, y-axis. Right? Yes, these two axes intersect at O. Right? So on x and y axis, I have taken scale as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit only. Right? Yes, let us plot the points. First 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5, here x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 5. So x coordinate is 0, no? So 0 means this point lies on, yes, y axis only. So 0 comma 5, this it will be. This is the exact location of the point. Next 5 comma 0, here y coordinate is 0, that's why this point lies on x axis. See, 5 comma 0 means this one. Now join these two points. Yes, this will be the required line. So what is the equation? X plus y is equal to 5. Right? This is the equation for this line. Next, see the second equation. The points are all same as first equation, 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. 0 comma 5 and 5 comma 0. So that's why this line also coincides with the first line. Right? So no need to draw again, no. So already this line already we have drawn, no. That's why the second line also coincides with the first line. So that's why keep the arrows here like this. So this line is, what is that? 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Right? So from the graph we can clearly say that two lines are coincides with each other. So that's why how many solutions will be there? There are infinite number of solutions. Right? So that's only right now. From the graph, two lines are coincides with each other. Right? Therefore, the given pair of linear equations in two variables have infinite solutions. Understood clearly? Yes. Finally, what we have to write? Yes, scale we should write now. Yes, on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to how many units? Yes, 1 unit. And on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to Yes, 1 unit only, na? 1 unit. So have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Okay viewers, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.